Hey guys, how's it going? How to check the device logged into your Instagram account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your Instagram, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and then click on the hamburger icon on the top right. Go to your basically account center, sorry, and then you're gonna be able to see your past information, personal details. Go ahead and click basically go back, sorry. Here you're gonna see password and security. Basically you're gonna see right here where you logged in, login alerts, and basically you're gonna be able to see the devices that you logged in from. Okay, so let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.